Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ram 3500. It's super clean, it's like new under there. Close that up, take it for a tour. Yeah, tow hooks up front. Also have running boards, and it is a dually. Here's a 6.7 liter diesel, 4x4, Longhorn edition, as you see. A tow package. It's also set up for a fifth wheel. Power sliding back window. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. I love these seats. They're set up like saddlebags on the back. It does have rear heated seats as well. There's a Longhorn branding on there. It does also have a sunroof. It's got a wood look to the accents, and then give you a shot of the van. Show you your driver's seat controls and presets. We'll go ahead and hop in, and we'll want to turn this down so that you can hear me better. Okay, come over here. See that you have 1,651 miles on this vehicle. Right here you've got your push to talk, and you can also control your trip computer and everything else in your dash from these switches. You also have your cruise control, your push button start. Here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive. Come down here, here's your trailer sway control for your tow package. And here are your other auxiliaries. Come here, you've got your comfort controls. You can also work with those through your climate right here. As you can see, you have vented or heated seats in front, and as I mentioned, you also have them in the back. Come over here to the radio. You can see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM. You also have other media, which would be off your phone, so you can connect through Bluetooth or auxiliary. You also have navigation in here, and then other things that you would do connected with your phone. Just coming on up here, see you have your controls for your back window. You've also got your sunroof controls right here. So, super nice. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It had damage on all 4 sides, but they all turned out to be cosmetic. So we're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us here at tjchapmanauto.com.